In today's dynamic world, the concept of earning money has dramatically evolved. No longer are people limited to the 9-to-5 grind. Numerous opportunities now exist to make money outside of traditional employment. Whether you're seeking supplementary income, a flexible side gig, or an entirely new way to earn, consider these 35 methods. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect experts in various fields with clients in need of their services, ranging from writing to graphic design. Blogging. While it can take time to gain traction, a successful blog, monetized through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, can provide significant income. Affiliate marketing promote product services on your platform, like a blog or social media, and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Dropshipping. Run an online store without holding inventory. When someone buys a product, it's shipped directly from the supplier. Online courses tutorials. If you're an expert in a particular area, create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, print on demand. Create custom designs for apparel or accessories and sell them through platforms that print and ship on demand. Online surveys companies pay for consumer opinions. Websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks offer money for taking surveys. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, sell your pictures on platforms like Shutterstock or Getty Images. Pet sitting or dog walking. With platforms like Rover or Wag, pet enthusiasts can earn by offering pet-related services. Rent out a room. Platforms like Airbnb allow homeowners to earn money by renting out spare rooms or entire properties. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper and Lending Club let individuals earn interest by lending money to others. Sell unused items. Declutter and make money by selling items on eBay, Amazon, or local marketplaces. Tutoring online platforms like Chegg Tutors or VIPKid connect educators with students worldwide. Virtual assistant offer administrative services remotely, from data entry to calendar management. Transcribing convert audio files into written text. Websites like Rev offer such opportunities. Sell handmade goods. If you craft, platforms like Etsy are ideal for selling your creations. Rent your car. Platforms like Turo let you earn by renting out your car when it's not in use. Rideshare driving drive for companies like Uber or Lyft. Delivery services. Deliver for companies like DoorDash or Instacart. Become a streamer. Platforms like Twitch or YouTube allow users to earn through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Test websites and apps. Companies pay users to test their websites or apps for usability on platforms like user testing. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. While there are risks, investing can provide significant returns. Write an ebook, self-publish your knowledge or fiction on platforms like Amazon Kindle, music or art licensing. Sell rights to your music or artwork for use in media. Perform on the street. If you have a musical or theatrical talent, street performances can be lucrative. Teach a skill. Whether it's dance, music, or a craft, offer local or online lessons. Become a personal chef. For those who love to cook, offering personal chef services can be profitable. Yard work and gardening. Many homeowners pay for regular yard maintenance. Freelance consulting offer expert advice in fields you're familiar with, from business strategy to IT solutions. House sitting. Keep an eye on homes while owners are away, sometimes in exchange for free accommodation. Mystery shopping companies pay individuals to evaluate their services discreetly. Refurbish and flip. Buy old furniture or tech, refurbish it, then sell for a profit. Participate in clinical trials. Research companies sometimes offer payment for participation in medical studies. Become an influencer. With a significant online following, brands may pay you for promotions. Create an app. While it requires some technical know-how, successful apps can be highly profitable. The possibilities for earning outside a traditional job are vast and ever-growing. Some of these methods can replace full-time income, while others serve as supplemental earnings. Regardless of the approach, the key is to find what aligns with your interests and skills, ensuring not only financial rewards but also personal satisfaction. While the aforementioned methods offer numerous opportunities to make money, adaptability and resilience are crucial. The digital landscape changes rapidly, and what works today might not be as effective tomorrow. Here's how you can navigate the world of non-traditional earning with success. Diversify your income streams. It's wise not to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability. For instance, if you're a freelancer, consider offering multiple services or working on different platforms. If you're into investments, spread them across